up, yo? My name is B-Boy Bebe Breakaway, representing the Ground Zero crew. You know how we do. The end of 2008, we're here at Hookah Roast the Most, Part 8, the great homecoming. We're bringing this beautiful jam back to Miami where it belongs. You know what I'm saying? The bottom, repping right here from my city, 305, keeping this shit real. Ground Zero crew, mad excited. Roast 8, baby. Roast 8. Bye!
This is officially the roast B-Boy style, so you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be like, yo, how the hell are you gonna do that gay ass 90 to elbow track move? You're allowed to talk smack all across the board. You know what I'm saying? You guys can cheer for the B-Boy or B-Girl that you like or don't like. It's all good. There's no politics involved. It's who can roast the most. And I'm the host with the most, MC B-Boy Nitro. I want to welcome each and every one of you here tonight, man. Make some noise for yourself. Yo, you can do a lot better than that. This is going to be videotape. Get yourself on camera. Make some noise all in the back. Now, just like all the other roasts, it's all about energy. I saw the videos from the last roast, and some of them were good, some of them were but it's back home here in MIA. Where my MIA people at? 305 in the building. What's up? What's up, 305? Yeah, you know how this works. The more energy you give these B-boys and representatives, the better they're gonna do for you and put on a good show and throw down hard for you guys. So you give them love, they're gonna give you love. I wanna see a dope-ass battle. So, without further ado, I only got one thing to say. When I say roast, you say most. Roast! Roast! When I say roast, you say most. Roast! Roast!
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Candy, representing New York City.
Yo, my name's Lady One, coming out of Miami, Florida, representing IMC2, Elmatic Movement.
Is on June 22nd, 1986, representing Heartbreakers Crew, FSC, and Break Life Reps.
I was born 04/11/90. I'm 19 years old.
Today I'm going to be battling Lady One. You know, this battle was really random. I really wasn't expecting to battle Lady, and I'm sure she wasn't expecting to battle me.
I'm battling Candy from New York.
I haven't really seen her dance, so I can't really predict how the battle's going to go, but all I know is that I'm not going to sleep on her, because I don't sleep on anyone.
She's dope, I respect, you know. I did her style, her swag, she was a flavor, you know.
I'm going to try my best and kill it and represent.
I like more tricks, you know.
I hope that it's a good battle, and I know that I'm going to come out learning something from it, and I hope she does too.
You know, I'm getting more of my powers together.
And represent New York, you know, I got to rep my city, and I hope it's a good one. Peace to Bebe and Ground Zero crew. I hope I can make you proud.
Ready, man, let's do this. Hey, I need to see those hands clapping. Let's go. All the hands around the room. Candy out of New York. That was it. Y'all make some noise out there, man. Let's do it.
My name's Charlie Chisholm. I represent the Flipside Kings. My birthday is 7/30/1986.
Hey, my name is Chino Rock. I represent Front Running Crew, BR, LA.
I really haven't seen too much like of his stuff, man. I can't lie. But I hear he's nice, bro. He sticks his squeezes and stuff. Like, you know, he's been dancing for a while, a minute and shit. So, see what's up.
My style, go hard. This time,